number 2. Yung mga taga-FEU yata yun, ah. Yung mga nandun sa kanan. Nanonood. Siyempre, maraming nanonood din sa atin sa TV. Ayun na nga.
Congratulations yesterday.
Hapon, pinahirapan nila ng gusto yung Ateneo.
Lantin to serve.
Good opening game there for FEU.
And we knew that about that team already 2 years ago towards the end of season 73. Tapos ng season 74, medyo nakikita mo na may konting chemistry. Umabot na nga ng Final Four, di ba?
Last year.
Na nawala sila nung the previous year. So you knew they were going to be solid.
I was really happy after watching their game yesterday.
Yeah, Coach Ness, as always. Yung pagtuturo niya talaga.
Very young squad, but showing a lot of promise.
You know, one of the things that I like about Coach Ness Pabilan is how he gives confidence to youngsters.
UST now with a 6-point lead.
That's magaling talaga.
Serving 11.
Kumaga, institusyon din. Alam din naman nating institusyon din.
On that same note, Boom, giving confidence to youngsters and also threatening the veterans. Kasi pag may veteranong hindi he doesn't mind the ibang ko.
True.
Diba?
True.
And yung kumpiyansa naman, bibigyan niya ngayon yung bago. So, really a tough coach to play for, but that's how it should be.
Speaking of confidence, UST looking very confident here as they are ahead by 6 now. Galang.
Esperanza coming back in very, very quietly.
Yeah.
Ayan, now she's back at that at the setting position. Siguro sabi ni Coach Ramil, hindi na pwede.
Tama na eksperimento. Oy, si Tunay naman ang nakakita. Swiping it off. Giving them a 7-point lead. Look at this. The defending champions under the gun here in the second set. Another timeout called. Oh, I don't want to be in the middle of this one. But let's see drop anyway.
Hindi ka na nagbabasa, hindi na tumatalon. Magpasa na lang tayo. Hindi basta talon tayo ng talon. Awkward na eh. Nagkakalito yung kalaban nyo eh. Kailangan ba natin abutin? Hindi na. Dapat magpasa na tayo. Dapat nalalaman natin kung ano gagawin ng kalaban. Hindi pwede yung talon tayo ng talon. Hindi natin pinabasa kung ano nangyayari. Basta nila na tumakas awkward. Ano ba natin gagawin? Naagin pa tayo. Hindi natin may pagkakot. Huwag tayo magpadali-dalit. Basahin ko kung ano nangyayari. Kasi kung natin ang mapurang natin abutin na lahat. Kahit mali yung oras tumatas ko natin. Okay?
You know, LaSalle is a reactionary team right now.
Right now, exactly.
That's what they are right now.
And that's not how they play. That's not what they're used to doing on the floor, no? Talagang
And this is where, okay, let's go back to, you know, this is where leaders come into play. Yung on-court leaders. The coach can only do so much, as you know, Doc. And, you know, you've seen it in the past. Let's say, we mentioned Aiza Maizo. Yan ang ginagawa. Yun ang trabaho ng Aiza. Tahimik minsan yan for like mga 15, 17, 18 points. Tapos biglang pag medyo mabigat na. Ganon din yung Cha Cruz para sa
doon
Lasal.
papasok yun.
Oo, doon siya papasok. Wala masyadong gagawin. Pero pag kinakailangan, biglang magiging star. Ano? So, this is where we see Lasal now. After Cha has departed, we put the onus on Abigail Maranyo because she is the captain.
Let's see if she can show us that she's mature enough to provide that kind of a leadership for De La Salle.
And it's not just talk leadership, you know, encouragement and all that. You know, it's the way you conduct yourself on the court, no? The demeanor and all of that.
That was a crossing over the attack line of Demicilio. A second-year player.
Naguhugot na si Coach Ramil, ano? Doc, yan, tignan natin yung sequence na uli,
With this setup, ayun, right on the line. Left foot on the line.
Para dun sa mga hindi nakakaintindi po ng tawag na yun, at nagkamali si Esperanza doon, to give us a 21-11 lead. Doc, pag-i-explain yung rule there.
Of course, all the front row players, they're allowed to attack anywhere on the floor, but the back row players, they can't attack over that line. So, if ever they will get a set, they cannot step or cross that attack line. That's what Demicilio did, and our first referee, Bob Malena, was quick to react and made that call immediately.
And they can jump if they want to, as high and as... Ortiz with a bomb right there, with a statement. As she sends that baby home for an 11-point lead, worth a second look. She cocks it and brings the hammer down. 22-11.
Look at her. She's very aggressive. She just scored a point. Now she's looking at the De La Salle attackers.
Hindi ko sa'yo
Gusto mo.
Pasok ni Coach August Santa Maria dito That's an emotional boost. Lantin, back set. Lantin, binalikan. Si Tunay naman. Check this time by Aragala.
Solid block by Aragala. Going up by her lonesome. Single block yan. Great block. Great read.
Yep. Again, going back row, you can jump, but it has to be before the line.
That's right.
Para lang matapos yung usapan niyan. Lantin, again, steady in her setting.
That's
and she
inside.
finds a corner.
Right on the money.
The two players that Apple was talking about that had the influence of Coach August Santa Maria, Caballejo, and Ortiz delivering today
Yung,
like a Hollywood script.
Yung tama yung nakaabot kay Coach
Oo.
August, yun ang gumagawa.
I see Ila Santos here in the building also as Tunay comes from behind to finish that play. Not only are we at set point, this is a 12-point lead for a 2-0 cushion for USD.
now at set point. Caballejo.
Coach Oji Mamon said he wanted to be in the finals. That is the goal, and he wants LaSalle. He calls out LaSalle.
Very
The
few
opponent.
coaches would do that at the opening game.
Oo, Siyempre, may masasabi pa yung Adamson.
FEU.
Denied by Gumamo.
You are our host.
Naghahabol din yung Ateneo. As we all know, they're Fab 5.
Yeah.
Final year, so they want to graduate to the title. As a block here from Michelle
Gumabao.
Gumabao.
Very quiet game right now for Gumabao.
They are quiet in general. LaSalle is.
Entire team is.
Sometimes maybe a little bit of a lack of communication there. And we only say this because some people might think, why, are we too hard on LaSalle? No. We only say this because this is the standard that they set for themselves.
For the past 3 years?
Yes. Oh, tumapak yata.
Cross and even touched the net.
Oh, how unfortunate. What an unfortunate way to end the set. LaSalle down 2 sets here. Coach August Santa Maria.
Wow, he's feeling so good right now, Primo Besto.
His team is up 2 sets to love. But kahapon at saka kanina.
Nangyari na to.
Oo, ganito po ang script dito sa UAP Women's Volleyball. We'll see if it continues.